Welcome back to Daytime Live. Okay, so it's game time, and we have Teddy Stevens here playing the game with us. So what we're going to play today is Would You Rather? So what we're going to do is present you with option A and option B, and you tell us which one you would rather. Don't look on it, don't scopy.
No, Scoppy. So we're ready. Tanya, your first one, which I think I know what you're going to say.
Yeah, I know
the
what I'm
first
gonna
one.
answer still.
Would you rather have more time or more money?
Time, definitely.
I'm going to that's the time.
Yeah,
I'm going to say that's the time. All
That's-
right.
that easy.
That's
All right.
tricky. Time is more valuable for sure, but I don't know how much I have. So maybe by the time I
Wanna
reach how much I
enjoy.
have, I say, boy,
Just give
maybe
me the
get
money.
little too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, but as long as you have more time, you're
Time,
going
you
to
can
make more money.
True, true.
I'm not sure about that. Some people have enough time and
Time is definitely more
That's a
valuable.
them, that's a way.
What
We
about
do
you?
things.
Time too? No, me know you. We know Sarah time.
I think it needs another option in here.
Alright, so the
Would
next,
you, yes, go.
let me go. Alright, so the next one is, would you rather to be able to talk with the animals or speak all foreign languages
Oh, the animals.
easily?
Easily.
Foreign language mean people, right? And the animals.
Yeah, man. Animals. Would you like to talk to the lion at Hope Zoo?
What if he took off a finger? Yes. Yes, I want to thump off him fist like, yes, my
Yeah,
boy.
nice, nice,
On
nice.
Jamaica
nice.
Zoo, sorry, not Hope
No,
Zoo.
yeah, Jamaica Zoo. What would you rather? Animals do.
Yeah, man, animals.
Me
for sure.
too, animals. I feel like we'd probably be better off if we knew what they were thinking, to
Yes.
be honest.
Oh, they would
they're
help
smarter
us
than we
out.
are.
I'm gonna
They
love,
figured it out.
I'm gonna
We
love
haven't.
every language. I just have it.
Which language you don't love?
You can't say it.
Don't love.
Don't
you
say
know
it.
I don't like French. Weird, but I don't.
I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. Okay, so would you rather lose your vision or lose your hearing?
Oh, give me them.
Them hard question here, like none of them
Hard
is, none of
choices.
them.
I mean, if you ever talk with Christine, we would
She's-
just put her in a
Christine,
black coach and
she's-
Tanya, have a problem.
She's
Alright,
a trouble
so
child.
What would you rather lose?
vision or hearing. Wow. Well, when I hear some of the things that when Jamaican people say to me, maybe a hearing should I go. But then when I see some of the things that when I do, maybe a vision should I go. I don't know it hard.
Pick one, pick one, pick one, pick one. Pick one. Three,
hearing.
two. Okay, hearing. All right. You?
I would have like a vision.
I would like a vision too. I think hearing is the most important thing. Music. Anyway, next one. Would you rather have X-ray vision or magnified hearing?
I'll be first, then the most X-ray vision, man. Oh, yeah.
All the men are like, yeah.
Every man I go say that. Every man I go say that.
Okay,
Both.
Tanya, what do you say?
I'm scared of both of them though.
You have to
'Cause
pick
I'm,
one.
I'm really afraid of what I go hear. Oh God, maybe X-ray vision then. Oh, at least me can
interesting.
cover me eye.
Interesting. Interesting.
Yeah, man, I want to see.
Yeah.
Want to see
You
my
want to say?
eyes, I see the All right, so would you rather to listen to music from the 70s or
Oh,
music
God.
from today?
Well, that is a no-brainer. It's the 70s. Sorry, everybody from today, including myself. I really, really loved the 70s and back.
Yeah.
I
Back
really
her?
loved it.
Back her
Yeah,
after
man.
the 70s?
Yeah, man. 20s come straight up to 70s. Me, 100.
Okay.
Me too. Me too. Love them music.
Yeah.
I just find back a big trunk of records today. I
Right,
was
so when we
wondering
are
where it
link.
was. Anytime. Them there they are.
Vinyl?
Vinyl.
Boy, never cut player. I make pizza too. Come, make we don't play the game and discuss it.
Would you rather, this is a good one. I know what you're going to say. Would you rather, for your birthday, receive cash or receive gifts?
You don't know what I'm gonna say.
I don't know.
I'm gonna say cash because gifts come with energy from other people and some of the things I want to pick just not fit me. I
Got
don't
you.
accept gifts. I don't like gifts at all.
Just bring me the money.
Yeah, I mean, I would prefer not to get anything, but if I ever pick between
Don't
them
say that.
two,
Really?
Yeah, me not like take things from people.
I'll be your friend.
Them
then.
heavy, you know.
Yeah,
Things from
true.
people heavy, you know. It come with obligations. They expect things in return when the thing with them give don't work that. So I keep it.
That's deep. That's deep.
I want to
Craig?
present them once, so them a pray. Me was see how them a
Them are gonna
think
give
about
things where they're gonna use with them.
Dinner that.
So when man give woman things, you know what they give it. Things where I gonna use with them. Sir, keep
I
it.
don't get those kind of presents.
Keep it, sir.
I wanna see what them a pray. Your time.
Okay, me? What do I?
Yeah, you cannot get with no
Answer.
question.
I think I would rather. I like money.
There you go.
Would you rather lose your keys or lose your cell phone?
Whoa.
House key, car keys. Those are different keys.
I'd rather lose my key.
I get that. Right? Key or phone?
Me don't need no cell phone.
He didn't have a cell phone for like
No,
8 months.
I
It was
don't.
40 days and 40 nights.
No, I don't need a cell phone, but there's stuff in it.
I hear
true.
That. I hear that. I hear that.
True.
No, you know how much is to
Other
get
people
another car
privacy
key
in there.
done?
Yeah, make it-
Yeah, I'm just get vexed one day and just throw it in a drawer. I just lock the drawer for 40 days.
I do that sometimes, but I don't lose it. Like
Yeah.
I know where it is.
Exactly.
And it's safe. And
Exactly.
everybody's information
Exactly.
in it is safe too.
Yeah.
I got
Exactly.
people's stuff, you know.
Yeah.
If I mean, I guess if you lose the keys, you can call somebody.
Yeah.
I can call a guy.
Well, not call that.
Call a guy. Go on, turn out.
Call Tyrone.
Would call time in the booty.
All right.
Okay, would you rather to go to a movie or to dinner alone? Wanna leave me alone, oh, please?
Dinner.
Dinner or a movie?
Dinner.
No. I do them both alone. What do I rather? I think I rather dinner, actually, because movies, nah, keep again. Sorry.
I move along.
Movies no good, them long, and you're like, oh my gosh, and you're like bored.
Yeah, I always fall
I
asleep.
do movies
Yeah.
alone, but at home.
Yeah.
I wouldn't go
It's
to the
better.
movies alone.
It's better.
At dinner, I go alone all the time. Like,
Guys,
in
we
a
got
body
to
feet.
number 10, you know, and we have 25.
All right, go on.
Go on.
Okay, would you rather put a stop to war and world hunger?
Wow. I think if we put a stop to war, that would end world hunger.
hunger.
I agree.
So maybe stop the war.
That's
agree.
good. That's good. Would you rather explore space or the ocean?
Ocean.
Ocean.
Yeah, space scary, you know.
Easy.
Space scary. Ocean scary too. I'd rather not.
Would
I'd
you
rather
rather
stay home.
go deep sea diving or bungee jumping?
Can I just opt out a boat?
No. Which one are you gonna do?
Lord, deep sea diving, then Jesus.
Deep sea diving if I have to make a decision, but
But
Yeah.
prefer
I'd
not.
rather
Yeah,
bungee
prefer-
jumping.
and neither.
Deep sea diving, negative. Negative. Would you rather be stuck on an island with someone who talks incessantly or someone who likes Elmo from Sesame Street? Christine? Christine.
who sounds like Elmo.
Who sounds like Elmo? Elmo from
Maybe
Sesame
talks
Street.
incessantly because I'm going to talk incessantly, so I want somebody to talk to.
Okay.
It no
Okay.
matter which one we stuck with.
Both of them are torture.
No, but we kill any one of them. Like the one in that is island.
He said he'd kill any one of them, you hear that?
If it get from the nerves, we just fix it.
Oh my goodness. Tanya, I feel like we've known you. We got to know you a little bit more today. Definitely. Thank you so much for joining us on the show. It was such a
My
pleasure,
pleasure.
as always, such an honor. We love you so much, and thank you for your good music, and
Awesome.
continue to be fabulous.
It
Blessings.
was a pleasure being here. Thank you guys.
Yay.
For being so much fun.
We shall come back Friday.
I to remember everybody to go and stream Diamonds in the Sun. It's out, it's available. So go and support the music. Big up to Diana King, big up to Sidada Mali, big up to Tiny Stevens.
Beautiful. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We will be back on Friday. What we'll come back with?
Much more buzz, chat, vibe, and mix. Stay
Hey.
safe. Remember to check on your loved ones and support as a community. Big up on yourself.